they are dusting our plants with man-made hormones, and that's why another reason why we have an increase in the amount of cancers, and not only that, breast cancer, which used to be a disease of older women. Now we have a lot of men getting breast cancer, and we also have breast cancer taking place at younger ages. And younger women, I even have 20-year-olds that have breast cancer in my office. So those are two of the things that you can do. You can decrease the amount of animal protein that you're eating and think more of a plant-based diet to prevent cancer. The other thing you can do is try to get your foods organic, or maybe try growing some of them yourself. The other thing that can cause a problem with estrogen is stress. Too much stress can also have an adverse effect on the bones and the hormones, etc. So at any rate, we want to ruin anybody's party, but that's the message I have for prevention. If anybody wants to ask me any questions, feel free. I have some books over there if you'd like them, and everyone have a good time.
So I know it was very difficult to hear, so we're going to recap real quick, because what she said was vital information, right? What are some of the key foods that we eat that are pumped with estrogen?
Chicken, turkey.
Wait a second. Did y'all hear that? Wingstop. Who be going to Wingstop? You got to stop going to Wingstop, because I know I'm guilty, all right? I get the buffalo and the lemon pepper, and those are pumped with estrogen.
Well, that's why those wings look so big. That's why the chicken breasts are so huge. And that's why a lot of our young girls start developing at such a young age, because they're getting all these foods with estrogen. I mean, meat is cheaper than vegetables these days. It's cheaper to just go get a bucket of chicken than it is to get a piece of organic broccoli.
That's right. And someone is next to you and they are talking, and you can just tap them on their shoulder, because this is the stuff that is not glamorous, right? We like to wear pink and we like to show up in our tutus, but this is the stuff that really matters. Right? Every time we did Sister Show, there was a party, but we sometimes couldn't get the message out. So I'm glad that Chantel is doing this. So what are some other ways that we can prevent breast cancer, Dr. Kincaid?
We can try to eat organic foods that are not sprayed with pesticides, and also maybe try growing your own food, or develop a community garden that doesn't have rat spray or bug spray sprayed on your food.
Okay, and so
Whole Foods, Trader Joe, and there's a lot of community gardens in this area that you can, even the YMCA. You can join the YMCA and they will give you a plot of land where you can grow your own vegetables. And you don't have to spray it with any Roundup, the news Roundup Ready seed.
Thank you so much. And then did you tell everybody how old you were?
No, I didn't tell them, because I don't know if they're listening, so I don't know if they really care. They care. Girl, you could have said it.
She is 67 years old right here. Okay, and she knows what she is talking about, and I press her to say that because she doesn't look it at all, right? And so if you want to find her, how can they find you?
My office is at 3016 Locust Street, which is up the street about 5 blocks. My number is 531-0008. Or you can come over to my table and we have a little postcard and you get 10% off. We have our own green food supplement. It's made from moringa and spirulina, so it's a plant-based protein that will actually help you to detoxify yourself, build up your immune system. Your immune system is supposed to get rid of cancer cells. So if you're getting some cancer cells there, your immune system is not functioning properly. So I can help you, I can be your coach to help you get those toxins out of your body, help you to tell you what you should put inside your body, but make you strong. So anytime those cancer cell comes, your white blood cells attack it and destroy it. I take most insurances, but we also have care credit, and this is the only insurance that our fees are really low, but most of the insurances we take.
Thank you so much, Dr. Rosa Kincaid. I really appreciate all that information. Kincaid Medical Associates, again, you can find her at drrosakincaid.com.